In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Instagram account. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Instagram app and then right here at bottom right hand corner hit at your profile icon. Next, hit at menu icon and select settings. On settings, hit on account and then scroll down to the very bottom where you can find delete account feature. Just tap on that, and here it asks you if you want to deactivate your account instead of deleting. Deactivating your account is temporary. Your profile, photos, comments and likes will be hidden until you enable it by logging back in. But deleting your account is permanent. Your profile, photos, videos, comments, like and followers will be permanently deleted. So if you want to just take a break, you can select deactivating account feature instead of deleting. But if you want to completely delete your account, right here hit at delete account and then hit on continue deleting account right there. Next, it moves you to the page where you can choose why do you want to delete your account. Just hit right there and select some reason from that list. I'll just pick something else. Then you have to re-enter your password. Just tap at the text field and enter your account password. And now it says that if you continue, your profile and account data will be deleted after 30 days from now. You wouldn't be visible on Instagram between now and then, and if you change your mind, you can log back in before the deletion date and choose to keep your account. So if you want to delete account, just hit right here at delete account, then hit at OK, and now it says that that account has been deleted. If you'll try to log into that account, it will say, sorry, we couldn't log you in. That means that your account is temporarily deactivated as for now. So you can hit at OK, and there you may use your Instagram with your another account. If you want to restore your account within 30 days, you may do the next steps. Just hit right here at username and select add account. Then hit on log in to existing account and right here enter your account username and password. I've just entered a username and now it asks me if I want to keep using this account. It says that you request to delete that account, and if you want to keep it, you have until that date. Let us know. Otherwise, all your photos and informations will be deleted. So if you want to restore your account, just hit right there at keep account and then enter your account's password. And after that, it recovers your account and you can use it as you did that before. As you can see, all photos and all data, including all posts, followers and following, is now restored. I hope it helps you guys, so don't forget to like and subscribe.